Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy M04. First of all, let me tell you whatever language you have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you here in the tutorial will be always the same. Okay, let's start now with the settings. So just scroll in here, go in the symbol for the settings, it's always here at the corner. Then you need to scroll down to the point General Management. Here it is. It has a gray icon in front with white stuff to adjust in it. Just tap on it. Now you will need the first point, language. And may you have a nice list like me already now. And if your language is part of that list, look for your language. Maybe your English or let's take maybe Deutsch, so German. That's my language, by the way. Go then here on the blue button to apply, and then the phone has changed into German, so Deutsch. Let me put it back to English if your language is here not part of that list. Let me show you what you can do, and I think you can imagine it already. You need here the green plus symbol to add a language. So tap on the green plus symbol, and now you can choose one of the languages here. And a very long list. And let's continue maybe here with English, that you can follow the video better. And the second step is to choose a local dialect. Now maybe let's choose the dialect from the Bahamas. So greetings, by the way, beautiful Caribbean island. And now you need to set it as default. So go on the most white one here to set it as default. And then English with the dialect of the Bahamas will be now here the language of this phone. As you can see, pretty easy. And I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.